Yes, welcome back. Can you hear me, Jefflin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Study of culture. The word culture we have been using everyday life. Maximum of them having lack of knowledge or misassumption regarding culture. We are nurses should be know about an exact meaning of culture and should be conceptualized. The reason is that the diseases caused by cultural factors. The cause root of various diseases is the culture. Hence, we should be use the culture is a medicine. Example, unstandardized culture, bad habit, unstandardized material using, which cause impact on health status of people. First, we should be understand about what you think about culture. Abhisha or Abhisha or Jefflin Shaija, Jefflin Shaija,
Yes, sir.
what do you think about culture?
Way of life, how they live their, mm, how they interact with other peoples,
Yes, excellent.
uh,
Way
their
of yes,
writing
yes.
pattern,
Then what are the
their
factors?
religion, music,
Yes, yeah.
clothes.
What are the factors determine the behavior? Okay, thank you, Jefflin. Excellent answer. Thank you for.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Introduction. Study of culture is integral part of sociology. Culture determine behavior. Theories regarding culture explain about relation between culture and development. Culture or cultural change can be change the society. Cultural factors can affect or influence health status of individual and society. Hence, nurses need deep knowledge of culture to rehabilitation of patients. at this picture, different types of culture. Every parts of the world, people display different behavior. That's a culture. This is Indian culture. Look at this. This is a global culture. Every country having different meaning. Latin word cultura, meaning to cultivate. The word culture is not only used in the sociology, we can use other discipline, including biology. In hospital as well as in the laboratory, use the word culture. Do you know that? Agalya, yes.
Is that
Yes, in the culture bad use in other discipline. For example, in the hospital as well as use the bad culture. What do you mean by culture in laboratory? Meaning of culture in laboratory. Sputum culture, you know. What do you mean? Okay, thank you, Agalya, for your response. Students, the word culture not only used in the sociology, use other discipline. For example, in laboratory use culture, which is study about growth of microorganism in particular specimen, whether any bacteria, which type of bacteria, fungus, like this. So, growth of microorganism. Also used in this agriculture. You know, agri plus culture. Agri means plant, culture means growth. Here, sociology culture means study of growth of behavior or cultivation of behavior. Clear about what is meant by culture? The culture means study of growth or cultivation. So in society, people behave differently. So study of culture means study of pattern of behavior, how people behave. What are the factors determine the behavior and how to enrich culture? You know, some culture may be unstandardized. We can change it. Hence, the culture means study of different pattern of behaviors in the society. And their growth and their changes, etc. Definition. Culture is that complex whole which include knowledge, belief, art, moral, law, custom, and any other capabilities acquired by man as a member of society. So these are the non-material culture. Also including material culture. The Taylor only emphasized the non-material. Look at this. All this. The next definition, culture may be defined as the pattern of behavior which is determined by the material and non-material cultural traits. Material means which is visible, we can see. Non-material means we cannot see. Example, knowledge, belief is can't see. But paper, pen, pencil, tools we can use to see that. Can you see this picture? This is a classic Indian culture. Different types of culture in India. So everybody clear about it? What is mean by culture? Okay. Next, nature and characteristics of culture. First, nature, acquired quality. Acquired means observed from the society. From materials and non-materials components. Second one, social, not individual. Culture is only social, not individual. Social means by means of interaction. The individual factor only part of it. Next one, idealistic. Idealistic means knowledge or ideas. Every people having different knowledge and ideas which determine behavior or culture of the people. Then total social heritage. Total means present, past, and future components. Now, various cultural components are derived from parent to or generation to generations. Next, horizontal transmission. The culture transfer from one generation to another generation. Their behavior, their materials use, their belief, etc. Next, adaptive. Adaptive means adjustable, can change the culture. Next, continuous and cumulative. Continuous means every part of life, everyday life, we can display the culture. Next, vary from society to society. Next, nature. Every society having different types of culture. For example, agrarian society having different culture than industrial society. Reason why? Jefflin Shaija. Jefflin.
Yes, sir.
Agrarian society having different culture than industrial society. Reason why?
Industrial society, there is a modern culture, sir.
Yes, reason.
Then
That's
agrarian
question
society.
is the reason. Reason.
Agrarian, they follow their old model cultures, agrarian society, but
Excellent.
industrial society, the people were changing from day to day. Like.
Excellent. Good answer by Jefflin. Jefflin should be think about that the culture determined by material and non-material factor. Students, just think about it. The culture, our behavior determined by material as well as non-material. Material means tool we have been using. Non-material means belief, values, sentiments, mainly knowledge. So agrarian people having different material using. That is the main reason. Okay. Agrarian, they having only agrarian job. But industrial people do work in industries. That is the first reason. Second reason, knowledge, non-material, and their belief. So that is a fact. So every students should be conceptualized that. Why culture is differ from one society to other society, or one person to other person? The reason is that the material first, next is non-material. Next, culture is dynamic. Dynamic means change, place to place, time to time, region to region, individual to individual have been changed. Next, culture is gratifying, enjoyable, acceptable. Students, every culture should be accepted by the individuals or society. If not accept, that culture not exist in this society. Next, nature, it is super organic. Organic means these organs. Super organic means every multi factors including physical, social and psychological factors. So nature of sociology is very important for examinations. So today what we had been learned, in first section we had been learned that conclusion for individual and society, an important question I was given. Then I would like to advise every student prepare for examination unit test next week Friday. Then culture. The study of culture is an interesting one. The reason is that everybody display culture. The culture have been determined by the material and non-material factors. In coming days or next class onwards, we will be detailed about it. And how culture change, how to enrich culture, how to modify it. Some culture we do not like. Some culture may cause the threatening to diseases. So that time we are nurses how to use the culture as a medicine, how to use to enjoy the everyday life, to prevent the diseases and promote health. So today last question. The culture is nothing but pattern of behavior, okay, everyday life, how we have been behaved, which is determined by material as well as non-material factors. We can change culture if we change materials and non-material factors, which we will be detailed next class onwards. Okay? Okay, thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the day.